In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST to your products in WooCommerce, ensuring all the necessary tax regulations are applied accurately within your online store. This process is essential for any WooCommerce store owner operating in regions where GST is a requirement, such as India. So let's dive right in, step by step. First, you'll need to ensure that WooCommerce is set up to handle taxes. Start by heading to your WooCommerce dashboard and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a few tabs at the top. Click on the General tab. Now, scroll down the page a little until you see the option that says Enable Taxes and Tax Calculations. You'll want to check this box to activate tax settings throughout your store. After doing so, be sure to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to secure these settings. With taxes now enabled, it's time to set up the specific GST tax rate. Navigate back to Settings in WooCommerce, but this time, click on the Tax tab. Once there, you'll find several options tailored to tax setups. For this purpose, click on Standard Rates. At this point, you can choose to create a new tax class specifically for GST if that makes organization easier for you. For now, we'll stick with Standard Rates. Proceed to click Insert Row to input the necessary GST information. Here, you'll begin by entering the country code. For example, if you're setting up GST for India, you'll enter IN. Next, you can enter the specific state code if your GST rate is conditional upon a specific state, such as MH for Maharashtra or KA for Karnataka. If the rate applies universally across all states, feel free to leave this blank. Moving forward, input your GST rate, such as 18,000 for an 18% GST. In the adjacent field labeled Tax Name, simply key in GST. You'll then want to ensure that the priority is set to 1. Lastly, verify whether GST should apply to shipping by checking the appropriate box if applicable. Don't forget to click Save Changes to finalize these settings. Now that your GST rate is all set up, it's time to apply it to your products. Head over to Products from your WooCommerce dashboard and select All Products. Identify and edit the specific product you want the GST rate applied to. Within the Product Editing page, scroll down to the Product Data section and click on the General tab. Under this tab, you'll see a field labeled Tax Status. Make sure it is set to Taxable. Just below this, select the tax class you've set up for GST, which could be Standard or a custom class if you've created one. Finally, click Update to save the changes you've made to this product. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured and applied GST to your WooCommerce products, ensuring you stay compliant with tax regulations. This setup not only simplifies tax calculations for you, but also provides a transparent pricing strategy for your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful WooCommerce tips.